come back here.
Ouch, my butt. My butt hurts.
Oh, when people hurt their butts, it makes me so mad.
Is that who I think it is? Rosie, you're back? Yo, look who came back to visit us. Rosie, you're here, Rosie. Rosie's back. Oh, wait a minute. Hey, you're not Rosie, you're Jackie. That's Rose's brother. Oh, you just trying to kiss me? He's all tangled up. Uh-oh. Jack was actually just in our pool like a second ago swimming.
We are about to show you some footage.
First day in the pool. Go, Jack, go! Go, Jack, go! Oh, shake. No!
Who is that? That doggy?
Yeah.
Say hi, Jack. You can't scream at Jack. Dorito candle wax. You know those related to candle stones. Stones and wax.
I don't get it.
Get him, he escaped. Mike, go! We're supposed to be dog sitting. Come back, Jack! Come back! I'll never let go, Jack! I'll never let go! Jack, you're back! Hit the road, Jack. Don't come back no more, no more, no more. Jack's trying to get in your house. Sean just sneezed. Are you allergic to doggies too? Oh, Jack, there are no them allergies. You got allergies? You okay? Oh my gosh. Do again. Oh, how do you throw up all that rainbow? Sean is getting allergic. And so is Mike to Jack. Hi, Jack. Jack's attacking me. Yo, Jack. Jack. That's great. Now you made my stomach hairy. We actually bought these when we had Rose, and we were gonna see her reaction because she loved attacking bugs. Let's see Jack's reaction to hex bugs. He's just scared. See, Rose would have been jumping on them. Jack, you scared?
I miss Rose.
You missed Rose? All right, put your arms up. Oh, you missed her, bro.
Let me try again.
Nope, you missed her. I threw her that way. You can't get. Oh. Rose would have been jumping all over these hex bugs. Drop it. Ooh, tickly. It tickles. Get out of the street, boy. Let's see if he likes worms like how Rose did. Oh.
It's a big gummy.
World's largest gummy. Oh no, watch out. There's stuff that comes out of that sewer and eats dogs. Oh goodness. You can't cross the road. Did you look both ways? The street lava, the street lava, the street lava, the street lava, the street lava. There you go. You're supposed to cut the grass today, okay? There you go. Keep getting it. Yeah, a little shorter. There you go. Can you go a little more? Down the arm. Bow-legged now. Walk like Sean. Belly out.
Down the arm.
Hi.
Bye.
Sean, something's gonna come out the woods, gonna get you. Sean, watch out. Sean, it's coming out the woods. Great, now it's got Sean. You shaking your booty? Are you dancing with Jack? Dance with Jack, go, dance. You got tattooed?
Yeah.
You color on yourself? You see that, Jack?
I'm gonna show you guys how we have a dog clean our house. First, spray your dog's tail with Windex. Now tell him to sit. Jack, sit. And then you make him happy.
Yay!
Hi, Jack.
He's cleaning the floor.
Floor. Hi, Jack.
Let me tell you a story about love between a baby and some kibbles.
Don't eat, that's yuck.
Michael eat.
You want Michael to eat?
Jack, Michael ate your food.
You zombie?
Belly out, zombie arms, bow-legged now, walk like Sean. Sean, say hi.
Hi.
Go touch doggy. Get him, get him. Jack!
Holy crap, I'm in Fortnite!
That's not good.
Oh my gosh, this is so freaking epic.
Look at this new gen! Get off of our OG map! This is my home!
Bumbleclot! Me bumbleclot!
I'm not afraid to let my OG back out!
Look for the gummy bear album. I'm gonna go play a couple of your other iPhone games if that's okay.
If you do that again, I'm gonna punch you. I'm not.
That's not it. What's that smell?
Yo!
That was not my fault.
Not your fault?
How? How? How?
I don't know. I don't know.
Yo, you gotta slow down!
Double barrel shotgun, is that good?
Keep speaking German and shit.
Bro, I don't need Sean, come see the doggy.
No.
Come here. Ah, you fell down.
Hey, I just want to play.
He's a nice doggy.
Psych, attack. I'm gonna get you. Okay, I'm sorry. I won't scare you anymore. You wanna play tag? See? Yeah, this is fun. Don't yell at me, Sean, because you won't like me when I get angry. No bouncing either. Sean, come play with me. I'm getting angry. Come back here.
Ouch, my butt. My butt hurts.
Oh, when people hurt their butts, it makes me so mad.
Help me! I'm getting attacked by a little dog.
I'm no little dog. Come here, Sean.
I need to live now.
Oh, okay. I feel better now.